Hey guys, let me show you in this video how you can easily check out your PC IP address as well as your DNS or router address inside of Windows with the command prompt. Inside of Windows, go into the search bar, and in here you want to type cmd. Right here you're going to see the command prompt, you want to click on it. Once the command prompt is open, you want to type ipconfig. And now you want to press enter. Now inside of here you're going to see a lot of things, but what is important for this video, there are two things. The IPv4 address, and that is the local IP address of your PC. And the second thing is the default gateway. This is going to be the IP address of your router. In the default gateway, you're going to see two different prompts right here. One of them is going to be with letters and numbers. Ignore that for the moment. What you guys want to be able to access your router is the IP address that you are going to see below. That is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, guys. I really hope this was useful for you. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.